Okay, this is Barefoot Landing. There's Lulu's over there. There's Greg Norman's restaurant. So don't be surprised when you show up and there's a mausoleum in the parking lot. It is kind of awkward, yeah, but as you can see, if I pan over here, this is a cemetery that's adjacent to Barefoot Landing. And when they expanded and needed more parking, that was just a necessary evil. Put some parking spots right next to a mausoleum. We're in the very back corner of Barefoot Landing, and there's this establishment which seems to be closed now. I don't remember what it was, but check out these door handles. That's pretty cool. Very Polynesian looking. If anyone remembers what this place was, comment down below, let me know, because I don't remember. This is the inside of what was Dino's restaurant. Also on the back side of Barefoot Landing, Dino's has closed. So that other building I just pointed out that had the Polynesian look is this building here. So both of these buildings are closed. I wonder what's going on. Are they gonna renovate them? Are they gonna tear them down? Or are they just vacant? Let's get another peek in this window over here. This Italian steakhouse, which is attached to Dino's, they share an entry door back there behind that half wall. This also has closed on their window, but they have spring toys. Okay, so if we swing over here, closed, closed, closed. What in the world? Empty. So if you're curious where this is, we're in the back corner. Lulu's is actually on the other side of this building. And here is the kiddie park with the merry-go-round and bounce attractions. Let's go this way, because there is a new building being constructed in the front of Barefoot. Barefoot Landing on the Waterway Summerfest featuring Dockside Live. Cool. June 1st through September 1st, nightly at 7 p.m. What do we have here? What do we have here? We got baby ducks. Oh, what's cuter than baby ducks? A dead fish. No, but seriously. Well, they're not babies, they're like teenagers. All right, ducks, let's go this way. I don't want to go that way, Ma. Why are you always telling me what to do? Those teenager ducks and their attitudes. Bunch of new planters alongside this restaurant. That's a nice touch. Wraps all the way around. That is Umberto's. And the place I wanted to look at is right over here. Right over here next to Ultimate California Pizza. This new building is Blueberries. Blueberries Grill, which it's looking nice. If you look at the front of the building, there's a exterior fireplace, it looks like. Probably a dual-sided fireplace. Probably a seating area. That looks like that'll be nice. And again, this is right next to California Pizza. In the front, you'll see this when driving past Barefoot Landing. I don't know about anyone else, but I kind of dig this oyster shell concrete finish, especially after it weathers for a while. I kind of like it. But they are replacing a lot of this, I've noticed. Hey, another new planter. They're really sprucing this place up. just in case you're curious, you have to buy tickets for these kids rides. So that's 2 tickets for the swings, 3 tickets for the bumper cars, 3 tickets to ride that train, 2 tickets for these boats, 2 tickets for the carousel. And here are your ticket prices. $2 a ticket. 20 for 11, 50 for 28, 100 for 68.
So if your child just wanted to ride those mini swings, that'd be $4.
Right. So just for one person to ride the mini swings, it'd be $4. So you decide whether or not that is worth it. Sounds just a hair pricey in my book, but to each their own. Now back here on the back side of Barefoot, they're doing a lot of renovation. You can see buildings back here. I got Lulu's, which is open, a new walkway. They're calling this backside the Dockside Village. So if you're here, it might be a little confusing with all the construction, but if you follow the signs, you will make your way back to the waterway. Got more of that oyster shell finish on the sidewalk. They got some new lights, that's nice. So this area here, you might be wondering, what in the world's all this? Well, it's a children's playground. Coming soon. Pretty cool. I'm getting a very Sims vibe when I look at that rendering. But yeah, this is gonna be a playground here, which is nice because you got this really old, large tree that's gonna give you a lot of good shade. This is gonna be nice back here. And right here is Lulu's. Walking along the waterway here next to the dock, there's these little boats that people are riding around in. These are rentable boats. They can go up and down the waterway on. That's pretty cool. Meanwhile, watch out for the actual boats. You don't want to. It's not bumper boats. It's regular boats. And over here is some fresh construction. This is a different angle. Last time we were here, I was on the bridge over the lake getting a view of this. Figured this is a better perspective. As I say that, here are those rentable boats. That's cool. Looks like this is the boss man in the middle giving instructions to the other 2 boats. Anyway, another really nice tree. That's something about the low country that you gotta love. We have some beautiful old trees. But let's get a closer look at this new restaurant. Looks like we got an outdoor seating area, which will be nice for the waterway. Got some light colored schemes over here. I'm not sure this restaurant's name yet. I'll have to look it up. Nice subtle color tones, more weathered in comparison to Lulu's over there, which you could probably see from space, it's so bright. But this restaurant over here, it's more of a down-to-earth, more earthy tones to it. Okay, these are called the Salt Shaker Boat Tours. There you go. So it looks like your group gets a boat, or 2 or 3, and then there's a tour guide that goes with you as you go down the waterway. That sounds fun. There's their phone number right there if you're curious on the pricing. Taco Mundo Kitchen Cantina. So another Mexican style, Central American style restaurant in Myrtle Beach. Now this building is fresh, but it looks like it's going to be more of your smaller tenants, your gift shops, things like that, tchotchke type establishments. There's the lake, and in a moment, Lulu's bright, shiny colors should appear from around that corner. Or not. It's back there. Trust me, it's back there somewhere. Lulu, where'd you go? There you are. There's Lulu. She's over there. She was just hiding. You can see they're actually building out over the water here. So that's going to be a stage for venues. That'll be a nice backdrop. You got the water back here. You got live music here. I'm sure this will all be seating, probably smaller vendors serving drinks. And they're really, they're going all out. I actually had this magic trick when I was a kid. Classic.
Come, let Zoltar tell you more.
That was Trickmaster Magic Shop. I think the other side just said Magic Shop. So if you get a Pandora, you get stabbed in the eye. Or at least that's what I see in this photo. And we're back at Taco Mundo. Construction activity is a little confusing, but if you come back here to Taco Mundo and turn, there are more shops over here, including a River City Cafe at the very end. So don't forget, there's more stuff over here. Don't let the construction distract you. Okay, those little boats we saw earlier, the salt shakers, this is their office. 1 hour guided boat tour for 2 people, $99. So if you're a little pricey. This is the Stillhouse Barbecue. And if you keep on walking, there's the Alabama Theater. So you can get your music on. Also, can't see it, but the House of Blues is over there behind all those trees. And back here we have a River City Cafe. Just like the many others in the Myrtle Beach area. Next to that is Flying Fish, another restaurant a lot of people like. Oh, they took the bridge out. Bridge relocation in progress. I just got served. I was ready to cross a bridge. Well, now we know. Turning around. Okay, have a good day. Bye-bye. All right, that about wraps it up for the current status of Barefoot Landing and their construction. I think I'll be paying another visit in the near future just to see what else is going on. In the meantime, if you have any comments, comment down below. If you want to like the video, go ahead and like it, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.